Curious about how Amazon is using new robots to deliver orders faster than ever before? Amazon is revolutionizing the delivery experience with its innovative use of new robots. These state-of-the-art robots are aimed at making the process faster and more efficient than ever before. They are a testament to Amazon's commitment to leveraging cutting-edge technology. By implementing these robots, Amazon is able to speed up the delivery process and improve customer satisfaction. These new robots are designed to navigate through Amazon's warehouse and deliver packages with precision. With their advanced technology, they are able to optimize delivery routes and avoid obstacles along the way. Amazon's use of robots shows their dedication to continuously improving their services and staying ahead of the competition. Elevate your career in AI robotics. Enroll in Digicrome Data Science with AI course. Link is in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such informative content.